Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this SVG file to look at. They were having problems and I can't get it to create any problems. So while I'm waiting for their response, I thought this would be really good for an engraver because it is transparent. If we take a yellow box and go to Object, Order, Back a Page, you can see that it's clear. Everything that's yellow is transparent. So, but look at this one. I've turned it yellow and brown if you were going to print it, and you could use any color. So with your item selected, I've got my nudge factor set on 6. This is less than 6. With your item selected, go over your rectangle tool and double click it. And that put a rectangle around it. Now we can take that rectangle, fill it yellow, and take away the outline. And we've already, once we go to Object, Order, Back a Page, we've already made it look better if you were going to print it. But then there's two other ways that you could change this. We could take this and right click, or, well, let's do them both. Let me back up here. Let me make a duplicate of that guy. And I'm going to right click in brown on this one, but I'm going to left click, I'm going to left click brown on this one. This one is filling in more of the fill. Well, we still said it's still with some black here, but look at the difference. Let me make a duplicate of that and then nudge them over. You know, so I think the one on the right is going to be better for printing. Yeah, it's got some black. You know what? I wonder if I hit black. Let me back up, move that over. There we go. So this has a brown thickness to it in this. So you've got two choices here. This filled in the fill, this filled in the outline. And to me, that would be a lot better to print. You know, if you were going to do it, you could actually make it. Let's back up here. And, you know, it's weird because the outline is thinner than it. So you could make it blue and yellow. You know, you don't have to stick with black and white if you're a printer. Anyway, I hope that gave somebody an idea. Thank you for watching.